We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a good job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.